There are two types of bond yields we have problems for in the chapter of your book, and one of those is just the yield to maturity, which is the rate you're going to earn if you hold on to the bond until it matures and is cashed in. And the second one I'll show here in a minute, and that is the yield to call. So what yield would you get if a bond was callable and got called? So the first one we're going to tackle here is yield to maturity. And sample will be a 10-year bond with an 8% coupon, $1,000 par value that's currently selling for $875, and the interest is paid semi-annually. So the present value is going to be the current price of the bond, which is $875. The future value of the bond is the $1,000 maturity value, or par value. Number of periods, it says, is 10. And then the payment is based on the coupon. So the coupon is 8% times the $1,000. The only thing that we have to be aware of, again, is that this is a semi-annual, so we're going to make some adjustments, and we're going to be looking then for the rate. So we'll go to our formulas and financial, and we're going to find rate. So the number of periods is 10 years, but it's semi-annual, so it's going to be twice per year, so there's actually going to be 20 payment periods. The payment is entered again as a negative number, and we know it's $80 for a year, paid twice per year, so it's $40 each time. And then the present value we're going to enter as the positive number of $875, and then the future value will be entered again as a negative number, so negative $1,000. Now we're going to hit OK, and it's going to show us 5%. I'm going to go to home, add 2 decimals, and it's still 5%, so there's nothing additional. But the rate we have found is a semi-annual rate. So in order to find the annual rate, I'm going to have to multiply this times 2. And that's how we always express it. So I'm going to take equals 2 times the 5%. And there was a little more of a decimal hidden further down, so it does end up being 10.01%. So then we'll just try one more here for practice. 8-year, 10% coupon with a $1,000 par value, selling for $1125, interest paid semi-annually. What's the yield to maturity? So I'm going to add a few spots here. I'm going to copy and bring down the boxes we need the information for, and then we'll fill them in. Present value is $1125. The future value is the $1,000. Number of periods, it's 8 years. It's a 10% coupon, so equals the 10% times the 1,000. And then we're ready to find the rate. So formulas, insert rate, semi-annual again. So 8 years, but times 2. So 16. The payment is the $100 divided by 2 is $50, and I'm going to make that a negative number. Present value is going to be the positive $1125, and the future value is going to be the negative $1,000. Okay? And then give us 2 decimal places again, 3.93. Semi-annual rate. We'll take it times 2 for the annual rate, which is the final answer. So equals 2 times 3.93. Turn it into a percentage and give 2 decimals.